Damn it, he's going to the box. Now he's going for the closet.
I'm gonna go find real friends as soon as I get this thing off of me. The ash thingy, really?
What are you doing? Dude, seriously. How hard?
I'm gonna go to my box. That's what he's saying. Come on, cat. I know you can do it.
Like, seriously, it's not even on your head. It's like lightly covering it. It's like I can't lick myself.
Do you feel like Bubble Boy?
He doesn't know what to do.
Congratulations, you just made it worse for yourself.
Becky's coming over every day I have to work. Okay?
I wouldn't do that to him.
Uh-huh.
Just to the cat.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I would expect my son to be at least smart enough to get a bag off his head.
Oh, what the fuck? Your son can count in the womb. I think he's gonna be just fine.
You told him about that. I told him about that, and I guess he told him about
You
that.
said it in front of me.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't remember saying it. But
He's like, I accept my fate. Wait,
I thought
no.
I said it online.
You were right there.
It's seriously taking you like 10 minutes to figure out how to
2 minutes. 2 minutes already.
Oh, how it is.
He's like, I fucking hate you, man.
Is he looking at you?
He's like, dude, get it off my fucking head.
Cat, you're not being interesting right now.
He's just gonna fall asleep with the dog
He's
there.
slowly dying.
No, he's not. He has plenty of air.
No, he's being dramatic. He's slowly dying.
He's like, I can't go on.
Oh my god, put the sock on his head. At least he knows how to take that off.
Yeah, no shit.
He heard you, dude. He started moving. He's like, fuck that bullshit.
Then take the fucking bag off your head. Come on, cat. I know you can do it.
He's like, I accept my fate. Alex, look at this shit. He's like, I accept my fate.
Dude, take the cat fucking bag off the cat's head.
It's dead.
Oh,
Well played,
too
Cujo.
low.
Well played.
It's like, maybe if I pretend to be dead, they'll freak out and take it off.
He just like did one of those little sigh breaths.
He's like, I'm dead.
That figured me out.
If you kill the cat, I'm gonna hurt you.
Dude, seriously, he's got like
If
that
you
much.
kill the cat,
that
I'm going to hurt you.
This much.
I don't care. If you kill the fucking cat, I'm gonna punch you in your face.
This is my home. You cannot take a mortgage.
He's like, I kind of like this bag. He's like, God damn it, not again. God, he's dumb.